all you want to do is do the numbers and the plus sign. If you leave a number out, like something, it might not work as well. So you might want to put in a number, don't keep it blank. Hit plus and it works. Now if I were to hit the other ones, it'd say error and it wouldn't work. So now that we got the plus done, I'm going to show you how this is going to be easy. Be right back. Sorry about the sloppiness, guys. Once you highlight all of that, hit copy. And then you can come out of here. Get back into your design. It's still loading. See, this is why I don't like having like a computer that's 10 years old. I mean, you know how the new computers these days have like 2 gigabytes or even up to like 4 gigabytes of RAM? This thing has 512 megabytes. Yeah. I'm surprised it can do all this. Anyway, come back here, click this button. This is the subtraction one. And all you have to do here really is copy and paste. And this is the one thing you change throughout. You change this to the minus sign. Okay. So, pretty simple. No warnings, so you know it's working. Come to the multiplication. Control paste. Control V. And change this. You have to change this. It doesn't work with X, so change it to the star. And that's how it'll work. Come back. And then go to division. Now, I'm not sure if you can use the percent sign, but I do know that this works, so keep it with this. Okay, now you got all 4 of them. Now, no errors. Let's hit debug. And let's hope for the best. I know this video is like really sloppy, guys. And don't worry, I mean, you're still getting the information, it's just not all in one time. One thing I learned, if you do something like 5 and 25, if you do it like this and you do divide, it will, when it can't come up with the answer, it'll usually do 0. So all you have to do here is just switch them around, 25, 5, and boom. I haven't checked this out, but let's hit 0.25. And let's hit 0.05, and let's see if it can divide those. Nope. System overflow. Okay, so, unfortunately, it doesn't work with decimals. Let me close out of this. I'll be right back. Okay, and I'm back. Don't worry about that. If that ever happens, you know, it's gonna happen time to time again. Really? No. No, it won't. You just gotta be careful for which buttons you do. So, start this up again. You can obviously just play around with how it looks. If you want, you can add your own picture. Oh, that's what I never did. I never changed the name of it. I'll do that. And I'll show you guys that it works. Let's do 5, 5, addition 10, multiplication 25, minus 0, and division 1. So, it works. While we're here, let's, good, it's working pretty fast now. Let's change the name of this, because form 1, how you gonna know it's a calculator, right? Well, I just recently checked the time for the video, and I'm gonna call this calculator. Calculator. And this is probably gonna be a 2-part thing. So if you're coming back from part 1, awesome. Border size. I like to change this to the fix tool window. It just makes everything easier in life. Yep. So, once you finish that, you can do File. Let's save it. Oh, I mean save as. Whoops. I did a silly. Let's call this I can't spell today. No, I can't. Sorry about that, guys. I am just basic calculator. There you go. Save. Now, once we're done all that, save all. Calculator for tut. Save it there. Save. Make sure you do that save all, or else this isn't gonna work. I found out that the hard way with my rock paper scissors game. Didn't work out so well. I had to actually do the thing where you publish it and you can actually download it. I found it kind of cool because you know I've never made something and had it like the actual download for it. This might happen. Be right back, guys. Sorry about that, guys. I thought my mom called me, and when I did save all, whatever, something happened. I got this error, so I just opened it back up again. It's all working. Yeah. So once you're done, you're gonna hit build, and build. Not this one. This one will make it so you can put it for the web. Well, if you want to make it for the web, you can put it for the web here, and it'll make the actual file so people can download it. But if you do build, it'll make the application already on your computer, so this way you don't have to download it and all that. So once again, just making your life easier. Once you do that, let's minimize. Next, you're gonna come here, open up my documents. This my mouse is lagging. Yep, there we go. This folder, Visual Studio 28, this should be in here. If it's not, then something messed up. But it's always in here, or most of the time anyway, unless you move it. So let this load up. You're gonna come here to projects. And now my computer is really lagging. It's lagging. You're gonna see calculator for tut. Don't worry about these other two. These are your recent ones. Not recent, past ones. And then come into this one. This one opens it up in Microsoft Visual Studio for editing. Open up the actual folder. Now you're gonna come to bin. Not obj or my project. Go to bin. Release. And right here. The icon, you can change this when you publish it, but for now it's just like that. And to see if it works, double click it. Just give it a second. And boom, an actual application on your computer. And look, still works. Now, I'm gonna show you what happens if you leave one out. I don't want to, but I'm gonna, because this might screw up my computer. Not screw up my computer. It's just, it's already lagging as it is, so you'll notice that it freezes and it's going to say this unhandled execution has occurred in your application. See, no integer is not valid. So you can either quit or continue. Continue, you can just do it again. Yeah. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you made it correctly. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Before I go, I just want to give a shout out to a guy who kind of helped me with this. if you didn't know it. Brandonio21. I'll have a link to his YouTube in the description. And yeah, it's Brandonio21 or Brandonio Productions. He has two. He helped this. He has some great vids of his own. I suggest you check him out. It's pretty cool. So until next time, guys. See ya.